18V 100W flexible monocrystalline solar panel for car, boat, home solar battery can charge 12V. Waterproof solar panel China. The main feature is light, easy to carry, and small space occupation. Due to the particularity of the material, flexible solar panels are not recommended to be placed on the roof or outdoors for a long time. If placed on a caravan, need to use high-temperature resistant glass glue to isolate the high temperature of the surface. The internal structure of flexible solar panels is relatively fragile, so long-term outdoor use is not recommended. Lightweight, suitable for camping and travel. Solar panels can be stored when they are not working.